Good day everyone, this is Miss Lazo and I am here to talk about the 4 2-in-1 books made by Sir Brian Villaluz and Dr. Michael Steve Cruz. But before anything else, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done yet. And if you want updates, you can click the notification bell. Thank you! So, we will start with the first edition that they have published. So this is the 4 2-in-1 2022 edition. And this is also a complimentary copy that I have received from the author. So I thank Sir Brian and Dr. Steve for this copy of the book, which is very helpful. It is indeed a blessing. Kasi I have used this. No, you can see the bookmarks naman. I have used this during my first semester in college sa 4th year during our enhancement program, and with God's help I have achieved the highest grade for our enhancement program and graduated with flying colors, syempre, and had or has been the top 1 of our batch. So all glory is for the Lord. This is not only for those na mga nagre-review na for the CPA licensure examination, but also for those who are still in the undergraduate. Kagaya ko, itong 4 2-in-1 na 2022 edition, nagamit ko while I am still in the undergraduate. So, I suggest for you, if you are having this hard time para mag-grasp yung understanding when it comes to FAR, like intermediate accounting subjects, ayan, you may try these books for you to allow yourself to explore more explanations, comprehensive discussions na talagang makakatulong for you to understand it well and with care, syempre, and mastery of everything that you have to learn with the right process, with the right understanding, and of course, retention para magamit siya in the future. Now we have this two, which are the highlights of this video. These are the 4 2-in-1 books. So I have received the copies again, another complimentary copies from the author. So thank you again, Dr. Steve and Sir Bry. Kanina ko pa minamention si Dr. Steve and Sir Bry. So they are our authors. I don't only know them by name. I know them on how they are teaching, how they act as professors, kung paano sila maglatag ng discussions, kung paano sila mag-discuss ng mahihirap na topics in a way na maintindihan mo at madadalian ka. So, Sir Brian Christian S. Villaluz is a CPA, an MBA, and an ongoing Doctor of Education. And syempre, we have Dr. Michael Steve M. Cruz, who is also a CPA and now a law student. Wow, sana all. So, they are both idols ng buhay ko. Ayan, sila ay very credible sources naman ng ating accounting knowledge. So, now we have the 4 2-in-1 books. These are reviewers, and we also serve as textbooks for undergraduates. So, ako, syempre as undergrad, nagamit ko to. And I guarantee that it can really help a lot para magkaroon ng understanding. Syempre, nakita nyo naman kung paano siya nag-evolve. When it comes to the appearance and the volume, kahit pa paano, ayan, nadagdagan eh. So, nadagdagan ang exercises and assessments na pwedeng magamit for mastery ng ating mga accounting knowledge. With these books, hindi lang ako nagsasabi na maganda to dahil nakita ko yung laman or dahil lang binigyan ako ng complimentary copies. No, I can say, no, with guarantee na maganda talaga yung books since they have been my professors. So I've experienced how well they teach, how well they execute lessons. And these books, no, they contain the most comprehensive na mga discussions ng topics so far. Ayan. For the part 1, we have the financial reporting environment, conceptual framework for financial reporting, accounting process, financial assets, and non-financial assets. For the part 2, we have the financial liabilities, non-financial and other liabilities, shareholders' equity, the financial statements, special and miscellaneous topics, and other reporting statements. So, these books don't only contain discussions, comprehensive discussions, but also, ayan nga, sabi ko kanina, may mga exercises and assessments that we can use to master or to confirm kung naintindihan ba natin ng tama yung mga comprehensive na mga discussion and para mas ma-master natin yung topic na inaaral natin. With those exercises and assessments, it is followed by solutions or mga key answers na nasa likod ng bawat tanong na syempre na-check ng tama, na-check ng multiple times in order to make sure na tayong mga gagamit or mga students and reviewees will have the maximized learning. Syempre, hindi natin may iwasan. There will be times na hindi natin alam kung ano yung sagot, kung paano sagutan. So, those solutions and key answers will serve as guide. Syempre, with explanations yun, para malaman natin ano nga ba yung dahilan. Hindi tayo iiwan ng ating mga reviewers, ng ating mga authors na hindi natin alam yung isang detail na dapat nating malaman. So, guys, I will put sa description box yung mga links where we can check this out. And I hope you are considering these books para makatulong and makasama niyo sa accounting journey mo, because I already have been helped by these books and I know this will also or will still be part of my CPA journey as I will be reviewing na for the board examination. So guys, please pray for me. I'll update you soon pag CPA na ako. So please take care. No? Remember, this part 2-in-1 books by Sir Villaluz and Dr. Cruz. Ayan, ingat-ingat guys. Take care and galingan nyo palagi. Bye!